Laura here. Today I am going to do a shop my stash for the month of April. So first of all, I'll do a quick run through of what I chose last month and what I thought of it or didn't think of it, or if I used it and all the rest of it. So I'll start off with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting palette. Now this was new, so it's the first time that I'd ever used this, and I'm wearing it on my face today, and I used all the colours over the month and I really enjoyed that. I only used it 8 times over the month, but I did enjoy using it and I enjoyed all the colours. I think I can wear all the colours in this palette, so there isn't any colours in here that I think are too dark or anything, so that's a good thing. So I enjoyed trying that out. And I also put the highlighter, BYS Highlighter 2 palette in, which I wear quite frequently anyway, because I wanted to put in coloured highlighters. And I wore that about 4 times, I think. I forgot to mark some of them down, because sometimes I wanted a green or a purple or a pink highlighter, and not just what was in here. So I like to layer my highlighters as well, so sometimes I'll just put one highlighter on and then I'll just pop a little bit on the top of my cheeks. So this is something that I brought wondering if I'd ever used it, because before I got this one, I'd never used coloured highlighter before, but I love it. I think it's great and I'm really glad I brought it. And I had my Australis banana powder, my loose banana powder that I got as a free gift, and last month I had it in as well, and I just left it in because I love it. I still love it. I used that 17 times. I've been using some other powder as well, so I didn't use it every day in the month that I wore makeup like I did last time, but I really like this. So I would never have brought this product myself, because any other banana powder that I've used I haven't really liked, but I really like this one, so I'm glad I got a chance to use it. And my Australis Metal AF liquid eyeshadow, I used this 5 times in the month. It's really pretty. I don't even know if it'll show up very well on camera, but I really enjoyed that, and I will continue to enjoy that, but I'm going to put that back in my stash for now. Something to wipe my hand. I used my NYX Vivid Brights, which worked out really well since I was using my Dream with a Vision palette, and it's got plastic falling on me. It's got some nice purples and things in there, so this worked out well, as well as my Essence pencil. So I got to use both of these with this palette, so that went well. And I used this one 4 times, but I only used the pink one. I used the pink one 3 times. So I wouldn't expect to use these two on a regular basis. It's got to be for a particular look, I think. And then the last thing I had in my Shop My Stash for March was my Chi Chi lipstick in Status, which is this bright red lipstick, which I am wearing today, which I wore once, which was today. And I think the reason for that is because I've been wearing such colourful eye makeup this month, I haven't felt like wearing a red, but I do love this colour. I think it's gorgeous. So today I went more for browny, goldy kind of eye, so I thought the red lipstick would go well with that, because when I'm wearing purple and blue in that, I don't want to wear a bright orange red lipstick, but wore it today, gonna enjoy it. And now it's time to shop my stash for some new stuff. So because I have brought a few new palettes this month from Makeup Revolution, there's a couple I want to make sure I try this month, and I've decided I need to probably pick a palette before I pick the stuff I'm going to shop for the month. So I thought I'd try the Lemon Drizzle by I Love Revolution. So that's what that looks like. So lots of browns and yellows and orangey type of colours. I can make some nice orange looks. I can see myself making some nice lemony gold looks with that. Oh, hello. You can see me. I'm just doing this part on my phone because it's easier than on my big camera. So I'm going to use that. And I also want to make sure I use, and this is my new product straw, my Banana Rama BYS palette that was brand new. So as you can see, I haven't even taken that out of the packaging. You would have seen that in my month in review. So I think, it's going to focus, I think those two palettes will look quite good together. Because it's got a bit of a deeper orange, a bit of bright gold, it's got a brighter yellow, and a bit of difference with the teal. So that could be fun. Use those together. And I'm looking at that teal there and thinking, well, if I'm going to put that in, then I'm going to put this in, which is also a new product. I've used it a couple of times. So this liquid aqua shimmery eyeshadow. So that's going to be my first Shop My Stash. These are going to be more like my Pan That Palette partner. And what else do I want to put in? Look at that delicious colour. That looks pretty. And there's something I keep forgetting that I own. It'll go nicely with this delicious one, but I'm not sure if it'll really go with anything else. Unless I pick a pink palette. So this is the e.l.f. Stardust Glitter Eyeliner in Pink Opal. I'm going to go into my highlighter drawer here, and here's something that I haven't had that long and I've hardly used. So it's a Chi Chi highlighter palette, so it's the Celestial Glow 2 Illuminating palette. So I'm going to have a play with that because I haven't used it very much yet. It's got some nice goldy colours. I've got glitter on me, I don't know where that came from. So it's got some goldy colours, but it's also got some nice kind of peachy ones. I have no idea if you can actually see the different colours there, but in person they're all slightly different. So I'm looking at these ones here that I'm thinking about, and thinking I've only got a pink blush at the moment in my palette, in my Project Pan stuff, and I'm probably going to want a different colour, and I think I might put in this Revlon one, which is in Naughty Nude. When I look at these palettes, there's a matte colour here that would be good for highlighting, but there's no shimmery ones for inner corner. So I might put in my NYX pencil in Cottage Cheese, which is like a shimmery white, because it might be quite good as a base, and then put some of these over it for inner corner highlights. And I could probably play with some, maybe doing some coloured highlights and things with a more neutral look with those. And look in my lipstick drawer. Now I've tested a few on my hand here, and I've already decided which ones I'm going to use. So this one here, that one, if you can see that, there's a gloss. That's this one here. I'm going to choose that one because I think it goes nicely with that citrus colour. And at the moment in my my Project Pan stuff, I have got all nude colours, so a bit of a bright colour would be good, so I'm going to put that one in, and I think I will put the, I can't point to it and hold the camera at the same time, this one here in, which is this Milani one in Coral Addict, because I think that will look nice with sunshine. I think those two will look nice together, and it also fits in with this colour here and some of these kind of colours, and it'll look good with browns if I do a more neutral look. So it's autumn here now, so I think that colour scheme's going to fit in well with autumn, and I've got, you know, a little pop of colour for something different and some orange to brighten things up, and a few kind of neutrals in there that will be good. And I'm looking forward to trying out my Chi Celestial Glow 2 palette properly, because I haven't really used that a lot. That one's kind of a pinky one. I don't know whether you'll be able to see that. Oh. No. But I'm looking forward to trying this out, and we'll see how we go. So that's Shop My Stash for April, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.